Business communication is certainly changing in the short term, and we feel, given it's what we do, that we'd like to help you set yourself up to communicate with your clients, suppliers, or anybody in a virtual world in the best way possible. Whether you're creating live streams or recording yourself, all of our tips apply. So, what camera should you use? That's simple. The one you already have. There's no need to buy new or expensive equipment for video calls. Almost every mobile device has a built-in camera and microphone, so use what you already have and use it efficiently. But also, setting up your filming location at your home, office or shop can make a huge difference. For many people, they just turn on their PC or mobile device, select their preferred conferencing app such as Skype or Zoom and start a meeting. But let's share some hints and tips on how to make your videos look much better. Let's start by making it clear that the person you should be thinking about most is your viewer. So, think about how they can comfortably watch your videos or live stream. The big thing for us is eye contact, especially if you're going to have a one-to-one video call. When you speak, try to look at your camera's lens and don't watch yourself or even the other person on the screen. Use your peripheral vision or look occasionally, but don't continue to look at them because you're not actually looking at them, you're looking off screen. Make your viewer feel like you're making eye contact and looking at them. When the other person or people are talking, then look at your screen and concentrate on them. Now, it's often hard to do and takes a little practice, but it makes for a much more pleasant experience for everybody involved. In the next video, we'll chat about some other elements to make your video communications even better without any other equipment or expense. See you then!